Good day. First and foremost, please be informed that this is not an official YouTube channel of the Philippine National Police. The PNP-PBB Facebook account is also not an official Facebook account of the Philippine National Police. This video presentation will contain the fiscal year 2018 PNP offices and units forced ranking results, and the DBM provided matrices that will show how much performance-based bonus an eligible PNP personnel will receive. These were already posted in my previous video, but it will be posted here again, for those who were not able to see that video, and for easy referencing and determination of PBB amount to be received. In the last part of this video, the target date of release of the PNP PBB for fiscal year 2018, and a little bit of good news regarding tax deductions will be presented. There are 201,365 PNP uniformed and non-uniformed personnel as of December 31, 2018. 190,724 personnel qualified for the PNP PBB for fiscal year 2018. To cover the funding requirements for the grant of fiscal year 2018 performance-based bonus to 190,724 qualified officials and employees of the PNP requested for the release of 3,270,800,911 pesos and 60 centavos. DBM reviewed and approved the said request last April 20, 2020, by releasing the Special Allotment Release Order, SARO BMBD 20-00073353, and Notice of Cash Allocation, NCA BMBD 20-00050883, amounting to 3,270,800,912 pesos. In the previous annual releases of the PNP PBB, a pro-rated 8% tax was deducted from the request of the PNP. However, for the PNP PBB for fiscal year 2018, no tax was deducted. This would mean that those eligible personnel who were rated in consonance with the ranking of their respective office or unit shall receive the following. For best offices or units, all of its qualified personnel shall be rated best, and they shall receive 65% of their monthly basic salary, as of December 31, 2018. For better offices or units, all of its qualified personnel shall be rated better, and they shall receive 57.5% of their monthly basic salary, as of December 31, 2018. And for good offices or units, all of its qualified personnel shall be rated good, and they shall receive 50% of their monthly basic salary, as of December 31, 2018. The forced ranking result of the command group category. This category was forced rank, based on the average fiscal year 2018, individual performance evaluation rating, of their respective personnel. ODCA was rated best with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.80. ODCO was rated better with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.03. OTCDS, with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 91.89. And the OCPNP, with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 91.27. Were rated better. The personnel of the Internal Affairs Service, Human Rights Affairs Office, and the Center for Police Strategy and Management were absorbed by the OCPNP. The forced ranking result of the directorial staff category. This category was also forced rank, based on the average fiscal year 2018, individual performance evaluation rating of their respective personnel. DPL was rated best with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 94.71. DL with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 94.23, DRD with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 93.65, and DO with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 93.63, were rated better. The personnel of the Anti-Kidnapping Group, Anti-Illegal Drugs Group, Explosive Ordnance Disposal and Canine Group, Police Security and Protection Group were absorbed by the Directorate for Operations. The following directorial staffs were rated better. DC with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 93.11. DIDM with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.90. DICTM with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.43. DPRM with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.37. DHRDD with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.34. DI with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 92.06. DPCR with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 91.73. And DIPOSTS with the average individual performance evaluation rating of 91.65. The personnel of the Anti-Cybercrime Group was absorbed by the Directorate for Intelligence and Detective Management. The personnel of the PNP Retirement and Benefits Administration Service was absorbed by the Directorate for Personnel and Records Management. The personnel of Training Service was absorbed by the Directorate for Human Resources and Doctrine Development. And the PNP Public Information Office was absorbed by the Directorate for Police Community Relations. The forced ranking result of the Police Regional Offices category. This category was forced rank based on their average fiscal year 2018 unit performance evaluation rating. Police Regional Office 4A was rated best with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 94.71. The following Police Regional Offices were rated better. Police Regional Office 6 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 81.43. National Capital Regional Police Office with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 81.41. Police Regional Office 13 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 81.37. Police Regional Office 1 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 81.36. And Police Regional Office 2 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 79.2. The following Police Regional Offices were rated good. Police Regional Office 3 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 79.14. Police Regional Office 5 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 79.02. Police Regional Office 12 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 78.35. Police Regional Office 8 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 77.74. Police Regional Office Core with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 77.39. Police Regional Office 4B with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 76.52. Police Regional Office 7 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 75.02. Police Regional Office 10 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 74.82. Police Regional Office 9 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 74.44. Police Regional Office 11 with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 73.25. Police Regional Office ARMM with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 67.27. The forced ranking result of the National Operational Support Units category. This category was also forced rank, based on their average fiscal year 2018 unit performance evaluation rating. Special Action Force was rated best with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 84.37. The following National Operational Support Units were rated better. Intelligence Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 83.70. Maritime Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 80.02. The following National Operational Support Units were rated good. Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 79.36. Crime Laboratory Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 77.81. Highway Patrol Group or the Traffic Management Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 76.66. Aviation Security Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 74.74. Police Community Affairs and Development Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 69.58. And the Civil Security Group, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 66.49. The forced ranking result of the National Administrative Support Units category. This category was also forced rank, based on their average fiscal year 2018, unit performance evaluation rating. The Communications and Electronics Service was rated best with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 85.43. The following National Administrative Support Units were rated better. The Information Technology Management Service or the Computer Service, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 79.77. And the Finance Service, with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 78.78. The following National Administrative Support Units were rated good. Engineering Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 73.49. Health Service or the Medical and Dental Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 73.31. Chaplain Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 73.03. Headquarters Support Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 72.38. Legal Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 69.40. And the Logistics Support Service with the average unit performance evaluation rating of 62.88. After determining that you are eligible and knowing the rating of your office or unit where you were assigned last fiscal year 2018, you may now determine the amount of the performance-based bonus that you will receive. This is the matrix provided by DBM for non-uniformed personnel of the PNP, based on the monthly salary as of December 31, 2018. Shown here is the base pay for the specified salary grade and the step increment and the amount of performance-based bonus, for best, better, and good. For example, if you are eligible to the performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2018, and your office or unit was rated better in the forced ranking, and your salary grade is 21, with the step increment of 5, the amount of bonus that you will receive would be 32,071 pesos. Another example, if you are eligible to the performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2018, and your office or unit was rated best in the forced ranking, and your salary grade is 22, with the step increment of 3, the amount of bonus that you will receive would be 39,319 pesos. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 21 and 22 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 19 and 20 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 17 and 18 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 15 and 16 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 13 and 14 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 11 and 12 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 9 and 10 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 5 and 8 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 5 and 6 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 3 and 4 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the base pay for salary grade 1 and 2 along with their respective salary step increments. Shown is the performance-based bonus matrix for uniformed personnel of the PNP. For example, if you are a police officer 3 or police staff sergeant, who is eligible to the performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2018, and your office or unit, where you were assigned at, last fiscal year 2018, was rated better in the forced ranking, the amount of bonus that you will receive would be 18,466 pesos. Another example, if you are a chief inspector or a police major, who is eligible to the performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2018, and your office or unit, where you were assigned at, last fiscal year 2018, was rated best in the forced ranking, the amount of bonus that you will receive would be 35,619 pesos. To reiterate, there will be no tax that will be deducted from the PNP-PBB for fiscal year 2018. This means that qualified PNP personnel will receive the full 65%, 57.5%, or 50% of their monthly basic salary, depending on the ranking of their office or unit. And the expected target date of release of the PNP-PBB for fiscal year 2018 will be on, or before, May 1, 2020. I hope that there will be no more unforeseen circumstance or circumstances that may cause further delay on the release of the PNP-PBB for fiscal year 2018. Stay home. Be safe. God bless us all.